Hey there, so I finally ordered the OLOM Eclipse Smart Ring. Super excited about it. But I wasn't totally sure about my ring size, so I also got the OLOM sizing kit to make sure I get that perfect snug fit. The kit comes with clear instructions. First step, decide which hand and finger you want to wear the ring on. OLOM recommends the index, middle, or ring fingers for best accuracy. I went with the ring finger on my left hand, mostly because it's closer to the heart, and that should help with more accurate readings. The sizing rings came arranged in the shape of the OLOM logo. That was a nice little touch. I started trying on the sizes from the top. Size 13? Way too big. Tried size 12 next, and it fit great on my index and middle fingers, but still a bit loose on my ring finger. Since I actually planned to wear it on my ring finger, I gave size 11 a try, and that was perfect fit. It wouldn't go on my index or middle fingers, but it slid on the ring finger just right. That's definitely my size. So just to recap quickly. If I were going for the index or middle finger, size 12 would probably be fine. But for the ring finger, size 11 is the winner. If you wanted to try it, start going down from the biggest size until you reach the size that fits best with no gaps with your skin. Now I'm going to wear the sizing ring for a full 24 hours, just to make sure it still feels good throughout the day. Our fingers naturally swell or shrink a bit depending on what we're doing, so it's worth testing before locking in a size. And once I'm done with it, I'll definitely pass this kit along to some friends. No need to toss it out. Let's keep it moving and save the planet, right?